Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making over this nightstand. This is the Tarva nightstand from Ikea. I've previously painted the exterior blue and the inside of the drawer pink, but I've decided it's time to change things up. You want to start with the right attire. For me that means sneakers and these festive T-Rex pants. Next you'll either need a power sander or regular sandpaper. I'm using 80, 180, and 220 grit sandpaper. Paint, I'll be using tricorn black and intense teal. Masking tape, some towels you don't particularly care about, work gloves, a drop cloth, paint roller, and a paintbrush. If you're using a power sander, read the instructions first. And I mean actually read them. Don't just look at them and hope that the knowledge transfers via diffusion. I started out by power sanding. I recommend having adult supervision for this. I'm an adult, so I am my own supervision. But if you're an adult who's less confident in your abilities, feel free to have another adult supervise you. Preferably an even adultier adult. You know, someone who has a mortgage and likes to go to bed by 9. You'll also want to wear a mask and be sure to stand in a well-ventilated area. After sanding with the power sander, I also went over the nightstand with regular sandpaper because I don't have that much experience with the power sander and I wanted to make sure I did a thorough job. At this point, I was feeling a bit blue. Literally. The blue sanding disc got all over the gloves, the floor, everywhere. I turned on a fan to blow the dust off the pieces and out the garage door. I also moved the pieces around to help the airflow get off as much dust as possible. And afterwards, I wiped everything down with a damp cloth to get off any remaining dust. Now comes the fun part, the painting. I painted the inside of the drawer with the intense teal color. My drawer had this white laminate liner in the bottom. I tried to remove it, but I couldn't get it out, so I just decided to paint it as well. I did 3 coats because that old pink color was very vibrant and I wanted to make sure everything was evenly coated and no pink was showing through. For the main body of the nightstand, I used the tricorn black. I went in with a roller to avoid brush marks and because it's a whole lot faster to cover large surfaces with a roller. I then went in with a brush to get into all the little nooks and crannies. I did 2 coats on the body of the nightstand and the front of the drawer, and then I let everything dry overnight. And the next day, this is what we have! I love how it turned out. I think it matches my aesthetic a whole lot more now. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe down below for more videos in the future.